Okay, let's go into talking about email campaigns. I've mentioned it in some of my other videos. What is an email campaign? Well, it's pretty simple. Everyone uses email today. That's never going to go away. Social media could die tomorrow, but you always have email. And as you create a list of contacts, prospects for your business, those are the people that you're going to market to. Now, I talked about the opt-in form, where you put your name and email address in there and you become CAN-SPAM compliant. Then you can market on a drip marketing email campaign where you send out a series of emails. And what I recommend in those emails, obviously, is a video. Put a little video in there. Put some content underneath that email. You're not going to be able to embed the actual video, but you can put a link and make that link go back to your website where you house your videos. Or if you have a Vimeo subscription. You don't want to link them back to your YouTube channel, because once they leave an area where you want to captivate them, they might not come back. So you want to keep it from the opposite direction. You hear me say this all the time. You're pointing all from social media to your website. That's the focus. Once you capture them with the opt-in form, and then you follow up. Okay? The fortune is in the follow-up. I can tell you right now, most people follow up 1 or 2 times with an email. With an autoresponder, you don't have to worry about having to do this manually anymore. You can set these up, and I recommend 7 to 12 or more, but initially 7 to 12 at least emails that will go out once a week to your contact list. Now hear me this. I don't want you to sell in those emails. There's some subtlety that's going to be in those email campaigns, but you want to give something of value for free related to your business. That's going to help those people today, because they might not need your product or service today, but a month down the road, 3 months down the road, 6 months down the road, a year. I've had people contact me after a year of marketing to them, and they became one of my best clients because they took their time to do the research and check me out and check my references out. And I've helped countless businesses grow. That's what I am. I'm an entrepreneur. I've always done my own businesses. And when I reached a point in my life where I said, you know what, I want to give back more and help others succeed, I decided to do a digital marketing agency where I took all of my wisdom and knowledge, past experience of failures and success, to be able to bring this information to you to help build your business and build it fast. So you're not going to get the junk, you're going to get the straight shot, the shortest distance to success is using the right products and services and the right training to get you there. You need accountability, I can tell you that right now. Not too many people can be self-motivated. It's hard. They need somebody to tell them what to do usually. Now, I'm also going to form a Facebook group where you guys can interact as well. And it might not even be on Facebook. It might be internally that I decide to do this. It might just be a private group, whether it be on Facebook or off Facebook. But I want there to be that camaraderie to help one another. I mean, it's nothing new. Everyone does it, and I recommend you do it. Make sure you have that business page. The thing about video marketing is there's really no limit. You can post it on all kinds of sources. You can create a blog and post it on your blog. You can post it on your website. You can post it on your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You name it, man. All these sources out there that are free, let's utilize those first. Then we can talk about down the road of doing some maybe PPC campaigns. That's another campaign, pay-per-click. You want to get there today? It get you there today with the search engines, and you just bid on those keywords. You better have deep pockets for some of those keywords though. That's why I became an organic SEO guy, where I developed the content and the connections and doing all the things that we're talking about in this training series to be able to get you on the first page and get you there fast. So once you develop all these videos, now you've got an arsenal, basically, to be able to drip on people. And I always say once a week is pretty comfortable. Most of the stuff that I get, if I get stuff like every other day or every 3 days, it starts to irritate me actually. And I'm just like, man, that's way overkill, dude. I don't even read it. And a lot of them don't even use video, which is crazy. Because if there was video, I'd press play and I'd see what this is about. But I'm not going to read all that. Remember, content is for the search engines. Video is for the prospect or consumer. So get your social media set up. Optimize your social media sites. Shoot your videos. Get those set up. The very first thing you got to do, obviously, a promo video. And then do 7 to 12 other videos that are tips. Just giving something of value for free to your prospects. And set them up on an email campaign, drip campaign. And we're going to go ahead and get a little bit deeper into that, into the next phase. But for now, get started with that. And as we get deeper in the progression and the development of your business, we'll go into some of the other areas that we can utilize email campaigns. But until next time, I'm Paul DeBellis. You guys have a great day. God bless you. And remember, success is in your reach. It just depends on how hard you want it. How much time you want to apply to it is how fast you can get the results. We can give you all the tools you need to succeed, but just like the carpenter, if you don't swing the hammer, the house isn't going to get built. It's the same thing with these tools. So if you utilize them, follow the instructions, you will succeed eventually. And it's definitely not a sprint, guys. It is a marathon in marketing if you want to do it organically. Unless you've got an unlimited bank account and you want to do pay-per-click campaigns, you can spend a ton of money. It's really up to you. We're not going to talk about PPC right now. That's another training session. So until next time, you guys have a great day.